diseases, follow-up of hospitalization, among many other privileges that will be provided to the beneficiaries. There are more than 1.5 lakh people who are present here, who have gathered here from all across the state of Jharkhand.
तो करते हुए लोग इस खास मौके पर और यहीं पर रांची, जो झारखंड की राजधानी है, झारखंड जो प्रकृति खनिज संपदा का अतुल्य